Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to update BIOS or UEFI firmware using a BIOS update button. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Some motherboards come with a BIOS update button, which simplifies the process of updating your BIOS or UEFI firmware. Updating your BIOS or UEFI firmware can improve your system's performance, stability, and compatibility with new hardware. Updating your BIOS or UEFI firmware using a BIOS update button is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth update. Identify your current BIOS version. Press Windows key +R to open the Run box. Type misinfo32 and press Enter. In the System Information window, look for the BIOS version date entry to see your current BIOS version. Identify your motherboard model or your laptop manufacturer using System Information. In the System Information window, look for the baseboard manufacturer and baseboard product entries to identify your motherboard model. In the System Information window, look for the system manufacturer and system model entries to identify your laptop's manufacturer and model. Using CPU-Z, download and install or extract CPU-Z. Open CPU-Z and go to the Mainboard tab to see detailed information about your motherboard. Download the BIOS update file. Go to your browser of choice and search for your motherboard model. Then enter the manufacturer's website. Go to the Support or Downloads section on the website of your motherboard or laptop manufacturer. Look for the Driver and Utility or Similar section. Then go to BIOS and Firmware or a similar section. Download the latest version available of the BIOS to your computer. In some cases, you may need to rename the BIOS file. You can do this by clicking on the BIOS renamer file that comes with it. Make sure to read the description under the BIOS section on the manufacturer's website, and it's better to read the manual of your motherboard manufacturer. Prepare a USB drive. Insert the USB drive into the computer and format it to FAT32. Copy the downloaded BIOS file to the USB drive. Turn off the system. Ensure the computer is completely powered off. You can even disconnect the power supply and reconnect it to ensure there's no residual power. Insert the USB drive. Insert the USB drive with the BIOS update file into the designated USB port for BIOS updates. This port is often labeled BIOS and described in your motherboard manual. Locate the BIOS update button. Find the BIOS update button on your motherboard. It is usually labeled as BIOS Flashback, Flash BIOS, or similar, depending on your motherboard manufacturer. Press the BIOS update button. Press and hold the BIOS update button for a few seconds until the LED indicator starts flashing. This indicates that the BIOS update process has started. Wait for the update to complete. The LED indicator will flash during the update process. Do not interrupt the process, as it can damage the motherboard. The process typically takes a few minutes. Do not unplug portable disk, power system, or short the CL or TC header while BIOS update is ongoing. Otherwise, update will be interrupted. Reboot your computer. After the LED indicator stops flashing, the update is complete. You can then power on your computer. Enter BIOS, UEFI setup. After rebooting, enter the BIOS, UEFI setup again to reapply any custom settings, such as boot order or overclocking configurations. By following these steps, you can update your BIOS or UEFI firmware using the BIOS update button on your motherboard. This method is convenient and typically user-friendly, making it an excellent choice for many users. If you need specific instructions for your motherboard model, consulting the manufacturer's documentation is always a good idea. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.